ban a hero.
Tang.
Bakit magtatang ka?
Hindi, ikaw magtatang.
Tong ino. Ako na naman tang. Ina, binanong si Kuya.
Okay, may huwag ka na. Ika na, may jump ka
Team is banning.
I'll win nobody just for you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Be, umuulan, be. Be, umuulan.
How can I slow the winter moment? You're so funny.
Your team is picking.
You, I can't lose.
Mano ka na, huy. Masyado ka nang nagandahan sa boses ko.
Ka na. Pick ka na. Nagpapabuhat ka na. Alam. Kaya pick. I don't nobody just for you.
Hello, my friend.
The enemy is picking.
Alam mo ba, isang beses pa lang win rate nito, MVP pa. Isang beses ko pa lang take na.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Hala, mythic na to after neto. Mythic na to. Sure win kasi pag nag-estes ako eh.
Please pick a hero.
Hey, ayaw pa maniwala. Sure win pag nag-estes ako. Ilang taon ka na nga, Jace? Sinabi mo yun sa akin dati. Ilang taon ka na nga, di ba? 40 ka na.
The night sky tells all. The enemy is picking.
Let's settle things down
Ay,
with the
puting ina mo
duel.
talaga.
Even the strongest
Anong
of
gusto ko sa'yo?
characters blame me.
Yung pinapahirapan ako, yun ang gusto ko. Ang ino talaga. Ewan ko sa'yo kung anong makakapalag sa Karina.
My kiss grants you immortality. I've been waiting for too long.
Enemy is picking.
Siguro pag mythic glory yung gumagamit, tapos epic yung Karina. Pwede pa makapalag. When I'm with you, how can I lose and miss a moment? Petrify. Naman nakikita.
Where is my target?
Niya pa. Ay, sa bagay, wala. Ingat ka dun sa baba, ha? Hindi kita magdadalawan. Cryo-core kasi ako eh. Cryo-core ako eh. Paano na yan? Ay. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment you were so important? Body na body like you do, I can't lose. Ha? Walang expert? Kasi isang beses ko nga lang ginamit to. Ayun nga, ilang beses ko ba ginamit yun sa inyo? Bakit? Kailangan ba mga, ipalay mo mga smurf lang itong mga iba din dito. Mga smurf lang dito.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds.
Lalapay.
The enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them deployed.
Hindi ka kasi narunong kaya lalapain ko sa baba. Baby, tell me how you miss it. Baby, how you miss it. Missing and tears everywhere. Come on, baby.
Blood.
Gago lakas
I've foreseen your fate.
ng ina. Bakit Natalia? Wala na. Talo na.
You have slain an enemy.
Talo na talaga tayo. Thank you for
Behind in goal. The stars are my beacon. Slain an enemy.
Pagkila mo kung saan ito ko.
You have been slain.
Iisip ka po. Hindi ka marunong. Walang sa buhay mo.
If only I could forget the past.
The truth is not better onto you. Why? Tingin mo. Ay, wag ka na. Uy. Siguro, hindi na papatayin mo. Uy. 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 Uy.
Triple kill.
Hey! Hey! Ulok!
My beliefs.
Sag ako, boy. Lakas ng ano. Ay, mapapatay ka!
I have been slain.
Hindi kita pamamayaan dapat eh. Wow ha? Wow ha?
Want to dance?
Ay, hindi. Nasabi mo na yun. Yung intrusive thoughts mo lumabas lang.
Launch attack. If only I could forget the past.
Saturn! Saturn! Saturn is Saturn!
Enemy has slain the turtle.
Okay.
The stars are my beacon. Try to keep up, if you can. Ally has been slain. Death is nothing compared to my belief. No secret is safe from me. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Okay.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Baba na, Mi. Andiyan na si ano, si Karina. Intrude, that's not a mine. That's a mine. Lakas ng guy. Lalaki yan. Pag ganyan. Lakas ba yun, guy? Ha? Paano mo nalaman?
Don't want to
Meron. Pag gano'n na siya, nawala na siya ng pototoy. Pero lalaki siya. Wala lang siyang pototoy.
No secret is safe from me.
Okay, prepare her. Dear boy.
Enemy has
Oh, what's that like? Ano yung pakit? Ito, may shotgun ka doon tumaan. Pag namatay ka doon, pakit ka nga. Dito ka dapat sa kabila. Parang ano talaga to. May tingin pa, tingin-tingin.
Request backup.
Ito lang sa iyo.
I could forget the past. Initiate retreat.
Wait lang
Enemy
kasi.
has slain the turtle. An enemy has
Oh, nice.
rampage.
Pero kasi wait lang. Hindi kailangan ng ter para
Our
manalo.
turret has been destroyed. Death is nothing compared to my beliefs. Ha! You have slain an enemy. Ha!
Yan na ito eh. Pag namamatay room, dyan ka. Ulok ka ba? Ako pala mag-save ng buhay mo. May mga food.
The stars are my feet.
Ay, po. Kaya talaga eh. Room drama ito. Ulol, walang ganun.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Huwag mo yun, hindi wrong drama. Bubo talaga siya eh.
Our turret is under attack.
Ah. Wala akong tiwala sa name mo. Panagin ko yan. Daily, mabuti na yan. Tinuhaan pa ng Bob. Deserve.
Deserve me.
Has been slain.
Doon. Umiyak na yung ipong. Umiyak na yung ipong.
Foreseen your fate.
Umiyak na yan siya. Umaya yan siya.
Killing spree. Shut down.
Ito.
The struggle is. Your team
Wala
destroyed
yung
a
clear
turret.
sa kabay. Ito dito. Gitna.
Ano siya ko?
An enemy has been slain.
Babalik ka pa, visit ka.
An ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. Star! Ally has been slain.
Magawa mo. Dito.
Slain an enemy. Slain.
Buklak siya.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Pagod na yung corner. Huwag ka dyan dumaan.
Has slain Lord.
Hindi ka na natuto.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Our turret is under attack.
La.
Ally has been slain. Attack!
Good ka na.
You have slain an enemy.
Good ka na, Mi. Joke lang. Sorry na. Pinag-experience naman eh. Kasi lang, kita bayad.
Request backup. Death is nothing compared to my beliefs.
Ay, no, ano yun? Good damage yun. Good damage rin siya.
Initiate retreat.
Kasi abulin, pang ina. Tara, Esme, go. Esmeralda, go. Ay, okay na naman talaga. May 1 minute na kayo ko rin. Ay! Ay!
Our turret is under attack. Double kill. Under attack.
Oh, it's no counter.
Attack. Try to keep up. If you
Sige.
Your team destroyed a turret. No secret is safe from me.
Inila, kabanto na yung SS mamaya. Galing ni Soda gumamit eh. Kita niyo yung Soda? Matotrauma sila mag-SS dyan. Matotrauma sila sa SS.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Umi.
Have seen your face. Mega kill. Your team destroyed. Double kill.
Sabi ko sa iyo eh, quarantine luto.
No secret is safe from me. An enemy has been slain.
Quarantine. Quarantine to.
Request attack.
Uwi ang Karina, uwi yan.
If only
Nanalo yung
I
intrusive
could
test.
protect the path.
Mananalo na sila.